Okay, welcome to our class. We're looking at this problem in chemistry, and I've always emphasized in this class that drawing is very, very important. What did I say? Drawing is very important. Once I draw, I am halfway through my solving the problem. I'm already halfway done, you understand, trying to resolve whatever problem I'm given. So I will start by drawing. How many grams of bromine will saturate 5.2 grams of but1 in 3-ine? So my longest carbon chain is 4 but. Now but1-ine, meaning that the double bond is between carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, and shortest distance to the functional group, I will take 1. So this is why it is but1-ine. Also remember that I said that carbon is tetravalent in nature, so it must only have 4 carbon attached to it. We can see here, then we said 3-ine. 3-ine, this is triple bond. It is between carbon number 3 and 4. Shortest distance. So this is what we have. Now remember what we said, tetravalent. So if this is 1, 2, it must be 4. Here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, then 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is already 4. I can't add any other thing to it. This is 1, 2, 3, then this is 4. This is that structure. This is that but1 in 3-ine. This is what it is. And you are told that it reacts. This is an addition reaction. Addition reaction is associated with alkene and alkyne because of the presence of the double and the triple bond. So we have, and remember that bromine is in group 7. Every element in group 7 are diatomic in nature. Every element, whether they are solid or they are liquid. You know, it's only gases, like when we talk about gases, that we write them as diatomic elements. But when we are talking about people in group 7, iodine is solid, it is diatomic. When you want to write your reaction, equation of reaction is very crucial in chemistry. And not just writing the equation of reaction, you must make sure that the equation is balanced. And also, if you are doing WAEC, you must make sure that you are very conversant with the states of this matter, whether they are solid, liquid, aqueous, or gaseous. When you are writing that equation of reaction, this must be put into consideration if you are aiming for A1 in WAEC, NECO, or GCE. Then if you are aiming for the best in JAM, the same way, you don't need to write the equation of reaction, but you must make sure that equation of reaction is balanced. Whether WAEC or any other exam you're writing in chemistry, it must be balanced. So having said that, bromine is in group 7, so it is diatomic, and bromine is the only liquid non-metal. So this is what I have. Now the question is, how many of these will saturate this? For there to be saturation, that means that this triple bond and the double bond will disappear. Now the question is, how many molecules or how many atoms of bromine do I need in order to saturate this compound? Now look at what we said. Now let's go. I said that for there to be saturation, that means that this and this will go. Alkene only undergo 2 types of reaction, the substitution and substitution reaction. That's what it undergoes, alkane, because of the degree of saturation. All saturation is as a result of double and triple bond. So we are asking us to saturate. That means that this triple bond and the double bond will have to leave. So if they disappear, what I'm saying in essence, this will now become, okay, let me try and see if I can fix it here. This will now become C, single bond, single bond, single bond. Remember, I have my H. Okay, this was just 1. My H. So if I have this 2H here, I must make sure I represent them. H, I have 1H here. I don't have N here. Then I have 1 here. Now, for there to be saturation, that means that this bromine will come and replace every of this bond that is living here. So if I have 1, 2, and this is 3, 4, in order for it to be 4, I need bromine here. In order for this to be 4, 1, 2, 3, I need bromine here. This is 1, 2, I need bromine, I need bromine. This is 1, 2, I need bromine, I need bromine. So with this now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this reaction to be balanced, like I said, anytime you're writing your equation of reaction, the equation must be balanced. That's the reactant, the product, the elements on the number of atoms in the product side must be equal to the number of atoms in the reactant side. So if this is our equation of reaction, this plus this to give this in chemistry, this is 6 and this is just 2. What do I do to 6 to 2 to make it 6? I multiply by 3. So this is what we have. So from here now we can see that this is C, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is C4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is C4, H4 plus 3Br2 liquid to give me what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. C4, 1, 2, 3, 4. H4 and Br6. So this is what we have. So let's go to this question now. We are given that C is 12, H is, so if C, this is 12 times 1, 12 times 4 plus 1 times 4. To give me, this will be 6 times 80. So we are saying this gives me this, and you are not told if you have 5.2 gram of this. So from what we have just done, this is 48 plus 4, which will be 52 gram, will give me 480 gram of this. Therefore, 5.2 gram of this will give me what? I don't know. So you can now see that X becomes 5.2 times 480 all over 5, 2. This is 0.1. So our answer should be what? 48. 48 gram. That's what our answer should be. So bueno. So c'est clair. The Frenchman will say, c'est clair, no? And your response will be, oui, c'est clair. Okay, bye.